Well, officially quit my job. I guess you could say I'm officially unemployed, right? Unemployed. Am I allowed to say that? Yeah?
You're somewhat unemployed.
This is wild. We're in a new city. We're at the new place. Y'all want to see a house tour? Comment down below. It's nothing crazy, but it's definitely a step up from the last place that I was in. In this video, I'm gonna kind of explain everything that's going on. I've been kind of hiding this whole side of my life from you guys that I really want to open up to you guys about it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Giveaway winner from the last video, $100 giveaway. It was Jean Alvarez, Jean something Alvarez. I'll pop it up on the screen. Shout out to you. Thank you for supporting the channel, man, and allowing me to do what I love. The winner from the first giveaway I did was all the way from the Philippines, which was really awesome. He said he'll use $100 to buy some bike parts. Love to be able to get back to you guys. Woo! This is crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm nervous, scared, excited. There's a lot of emotions, but I want to take you guys along for the ride. We're taking this leap of faith. Hashtag road to 1 mil, baby. Let's go. We got Tanner, the Grinch.
I go steal Christmas and all y'all's presents.
Okay, and your girl too, right?
And your girl.
Oh yeah, we got you. Yeah, this move we're about to make is gonna be a game changer, not only financially, but also just lifestyle-wise.
What is that?
The boys are loving it, man. God. All right, I'm gonna stop snaking you guys. Should I tell them? Should I tell them where I'm going?
I don't know. I surprised them when you pull up down there.
Surprise, motherfucker. It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we are somewhere very tropical, if you couldn't tell by the palm trees. And I haven't really been posting a ton on social media, so I'm not in a familiar city. I've been whipping this car that is not mine. I've got a lot of explaining to do, but we're running late for a flight, so I'll meet you guys back home and I'll explain everything that's going on right now. Now, I was gonna ride the R1M today because this is the bike that started it all. This wouldn't be here and this would not be here if it were not for the leap of faith that I took on this bike. But there is a little bit of an issue. We are missing the mirror block off plate right here. This flew off because they sent me the wrong screws when they sent the plates. So I just had it sitting in there and I completely forgot that it wasn't completely installed. We took this bike out to film some Halloween reels. It flew off while we were filming. So I reached out to the company that sent off the block off plates for this bike, and they're gonna send me out some new ones. We're gonna be filming some reels today for Instagram. I don't wanna film while the bike looks like that, so I guess rain's out of the picture. It's also 40 degrees outside. It's freezing out today. These two bikes have something that this bike does not have. We got heated grips, and we've got no heated grips on here. So yeah, there's 2 strikes against rain. I love her, but in the wintertime, if you've ridden with heated grips before, you know exactly how much of a game changer that is. So I was between the M1K and the SP2. You guys have been seeing a lot of the M1K recently. We just got the SP2 back, and y'all know this was my dream bike for a really long time. It wasn't the Beamer, it was the SP2. So we're taking a Luna out today. Now, some of y'all know, when I finished grad school, I got my degree in exercise physiology. I went on to be a physiologist, and it was a cubicle job, and I absolutely hated it, like hated it with a burning passion. It just was not for me, and everyone seemed so miserable at that job. Like, there were people twice my age that were still doing what I was doing, and I looked at them one day and I was like, do I really want to be doing this and be as miserable as they are in another 20 years? And after really thinking about it all day long, I put my 2 weeks in at the end of the day. I was like, this is not for me. And I'd only been there for 2 weeks. Like, I literally worked for 2 weeks and then put my 2 weeks in. It was an awkward 2 weeks for sure, just because I wasn't really trained on like how to do anything. So like, because I was still new technically, but I was just like, there has to be more to life than me showing up to this office job every day and working 40 hours a week. And let me say, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, for some people that works, and if it fits you, then that's perfect. Like, then do it. But for my personality and my goals and what I want to do with life, it just did not work for me. So I quit that and started training one-on-one more. I grew my training business to the point where I had about 50 clients, and I even had trainers under me that would help me train them because I just had so many clients. So I did that for a few years, but I started to get burnt out after a while. And that's right about the time when COVID hit. Look at Luna out here, baby. Sitting pretty on him. God, I love this bike. Like I said, my dream bike for so long. The lines on the duck just can't be beat, man. It is absolutely insane. Sheesh, what a looker. We got all the carbon bits on here. And y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna drop the video before this of what all was going on with the clutch. Cause she was definitely an expensive fix, man. COVID kind of hit at the perfect time because I was getting burnt out. And I knew that would be my opportunity to change directions if I wanted to. Whoa! And as y'all know, gyms were closed. So I couldn't work at the gym. I could be outside, but I couldn't work at the gym. That's when I started doing the YouTube thing full time because I had the time again to myself to kind of redirect what I was doing. And that's, like I said, when I started posting videos on YouTube, and after a little while, like it took a while, like don't think this is like, it was really easy and like it just happened. It took me a long time to kind of get some traction and get the channel to start growing, man. But once that started happening, like everything just kind of started falling into place. And that's just a blessing from God, man, that we're here where we are today. What the issue is that I struggled to let go of training because that's what I got my master's degree in, and that's what I was passionate about as well. Like I love fitness and I love bikes. I love cars as well. So I have multiple passions and I was getting to do what I really, really loved, but it was getting to the point where like YouTube was requiring so much more of my time, and I backed off the training a little bit. I quit one of the gyms I was working at, but this other one, it allowed me to make an impact on such a big scale. Like I had the opportunity to train 100+ different people every single day because I was doing group fitness classes, and I absolutely loved it. And I did feel like I was living two separate lives. Like I had my FastLaneD stuff, and then as soon as I got off the bike, like people that don't know me for motorcycles knew me as Coach D. But like wearing the two hats was just getting exhausting. I was just getting to a point where I was just burnt out, man. And not burnt out on YouTube, not burnt out on training, but just burnt out on the amount of work that I had on my plate. And it really took a toll on like my personal life, man. Like I just had no time to do anything because during the week I was training, and then during the weekends I was traveling and making content. So I knew something had to give, and I knew it had to be the training, because I can always go back and do that later on. Like the fitness world isn't going to go anywhere, but this opportunity that I have right now with the channel, I knew I had to take advantage of it and like fully pursue YouTube. This man is really wearing a Grinch outfit, baby. Yeah, what up, baby?
We got Matt out here.
What's up?
On his matte black S1K with that full SC Project exhaust. Sitting pretty in that beautiful Kentucky sunset we got over here. And then we got Tanner, the Grinch. This is about to be hilarious,
I go steal
man.
Christmas and all y'all's presents.
Okay, and your girl too, right?
And your girl.
I love it, man.
I forgot all about her. I got to grab her up on the way out.
But yeah, he's out here on his R1 as well. Now, I told you guys where I'm going, right? Do you know where I'm moving to?
I have an idea. I have a guess.
You have a guess?
From what you were saying last time.
Yeah, I guess Tanner does know. All right, don't say where it is, but do you think it's a bad move, good move?
Good move. I think it's gonna be a good move.
What do you think?
What you told me before, I think it's a good move.
Financially good move, besides the part you're leaving me.
I know, right? It's going to be sad, man. Come on, get hit up at 3 a.m. and be like, yo, let's ride, man, go get some content.
Who else gonna call me when it's 40 out and say, let's go get some reels or
That's
something?
true. Yeah, let's go ride. It's a nice day out. AKA, look at Matt, man. He's got noses all red and look at that. He got a bunch of layers on. Yep. I'm telling y'all. I've got my FLG hoodie, of course. I can't move it because I got my helmet in my hand. and I'm wearing my jacket on top of the heated grips and everything we got on here. But yeah, this move we're about to make is gonna be a game changer, not only financially, but also just lifestyle wise. As you can see, like we've been saying, it's freezing out. Boys are out here shivering, and opportunity wise. So as y'all know, I live in Lexington. In like 10 years, do I still wanna be here? Probably not. And there's also limited opportunities here just because with it being a smaller town. That's what I like to call it, because y'all know I'm from Atlanta, so I'm used to like the big, crazy 6-lane highways and whatnot. All right, I'm gonna stop snaking you guys. Should I tell them? Should I tell them where I'm going?
I don't know. I surprised them when you pull up down there.
Surprise, guys, so I'm going down to Florida. Yeah, that's yeah, with the palm trees. That's always been a dream of mine. One, to get back to the city. Two, to live where there's palm trees and I'm somewhere close to a beach. So specifically, not Miami. I'm sure a lot of y'all thought it was Miami, but we're going down to Tampa, Florida. It won't be as crazy as Miami. And I've got a big partnership / sponsorship announcement, which I'll tell you guys about in just a sec. But that's what really kind of gave me the push to make the move, because I've been wanting to do it for a while now.
Guys, that's how cold it is right now. This man is really trying to heat up his toes with the exhaust.
No, got heated grips.
Yeah, you ain't got no heated grips on the R1, boy. I am shivering, like literally shivering. I'm so cold. We're gonna ride for a little bit longer, not too much longer, because like I said, the sun's setting. We sat here and just talked for like 30 minutes. All right, heated grips, highest setting. Oh yeah, listen to that SC project, baby. Matt needs to get his bike tuned. Here goes Tanner already. I've officially signed a contract or partnership or sponsorship, whatever you want to call it, with Motos America. Huge shout out to them for trusting your boy and be willing to work with your boy and supporting what I'm doing over here on the channel. And without them, I don't know if I would be making the move down to Tampa right now. Probably not, honestly. I'd probably be going somewhere else. I love the CEO. I love everyone that I've met so far that works in the company. I love what the company stands for. So I'm honored to like be officially partnered with them. They have a store down in Tampa that I'm going to be specifically hosting a lot of events at. There's techs down there that I really trust. I just don't let anyone work on my bikes, because over the years I've been riding for a decade. I've had some shoddy mechanics do some shady stuff to my bikes, and I just learned my lessons over the time. You can't trust everybody. Like, not everyone's going to be as meticulous as you. We're going to be seeing a lot more stuff with Motos America on the channel. We're going to do a lot more track days, a lot more traveling, because they host private track days. They do a lot of group trips. Like, they were just in Thailand. They're going to South Africa here in a few months. So we're going to be doing a lot of cool stuff with them. They've got 3 stores in Florida, so we'll be all over the place down there. Did y'all hear that pop? Oh my gosh. They have a store in Daytona. They got an Orlando store, so I'll be in Orlando a lot as well. My Orlando subs out there, and then obviously my home base will be in Tampa. But they've also got a store in Nashville, which you guys have seen plenty of times in videos. They've got a couple out west as well. They've got one in a really cool location that they're working on that I'm going to be a part of the grand opening. So stay tuned. There's a lot to come. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm dying right now. My whole body's shaking. It's so cold. Heck yeah, the boys are loving it, man. Oh yeah, we got you. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm loving it.
What is fire?
The boys are loving it, man. God damn. The X1K, man. I love how rowdy this bike is, man. What's wrong with this man? Santa done lost his mind, bro. Or the Grinch. We just got done filming some reels for Tanner. This is hilarious, dude. These are the days I'm gonna miss for sure, man. This is hilarious, though. Imagine randomly rolling up on that.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was way too cold earlier to continue on with the video. Right now, we got Mona loaded up in the back. We are headed down to Atlanta. I don't want to drag this video out. I just want to say from deep down, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for all the support. I wouldn't be here without you guys. One of my biggest fears, I never really talked about this on the channel, being on my deathbed or being 80 years old and looking back and being like, man, what if I just gone for my dream? What if I just chased it? And me feeling like I hadn't lived up to my full potential. So we're gonna continue to take leaps of faith. That's what life's all about. And betting on yourself. I feel like it's so important to take those leaps and bet on yourself and put yourself in those situations. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride, and if we fail, we fail. If we don't, only way is up, baby. But as always, continue to work hard, stay consistent, chase your dreams. You never know what will happen, man. Appreciate you guys. If y'all enjoyed that video, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button. And would you guys want to see a house tour, or do you want to see more fitness stuff? Y'all comment down below, let me know. I mean, there's a million different directions we can take the channel now. Obviously, it'll always be bike stuff at the core, but I'm gonna have a lot more time, a lot more freedom to do other stuff. So y'all let me know what you want to see. And I love you guys. I'm rooting for y'all. FastLaneD, Mona, we out. Peace.